Zoning and land use regulations are in place to ensure the development of quality infrastructure and public amenities, as well as protect existing property values. However, it is important to understand the potential impacts these regulations can have on both selling and buying properties in Australia. Today, we're going to explore the implications that zoning and land use regulations can have on property values. Zoning regulations are primarily used to control how a piece of land is used by identifying which activities are allowed or not allowed in any given area. These regulations can significantly affect the value of a particular property. For example, if a particular piece of land is zoned for commercial use, then it will likely be more valuable than if it was zoned for residential use. Whereas a property located near an industrial area may be subject to certain restrictions such as noise or air pollution, which could affect its value negatively. Land use regulations are also important to consider when determining property values. For example, if a particular parcel of land is subject to certain restrictions such as height limits or building coverage requirements, then its value will likely be reduced compared to other parcels without such restrictions. Additionally, some areas may be subject to strict environmental regulations that limit the type of development that can take place in them, which could also impact their resale value. Zoning and land use regulations can have both positive and negative effects on property values, depending on where they are located and what type of developments is allowed in those areas. It is important for buyers and sellers alike to understand how these types of law may influence prices before entering into any real estate transaction. Understanding the implications these laws have on property values can help investors make more informed decisions when deciding where to buy or sell real estate assets.
Follow Bray Property for more investing tips.